Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up on Roblox. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Roblox is an open world physics sandbox and building game in which the users use Lego-like and Minecraft-like building bricks to build a virtual world for people to play. It also teaches children about computer scripting. So how if you want to create one account on Roblox on your phone, it's so simple. So first of all, you can just install the app on the App Store or the Play Store. Now you can just open it. Now you can just tap on create account. And here you can enter your birth date. Okay, I will enter my birth date. After that, don't forget to confirm. Now tap on the confirm birthday. You can create your username. Make sure your username is between 3 and 20 character long and contains only letter, number, and is not already in use. Okay, I will try to search for my username. That's no one have used it. Wait. Okay. Now you can enter your gender. Left for woman and right for male. Continue. Click on next. You can save your passkey. Now you can just wait. So here's your account on Roblox. You can start like if you want to create party, you want to create avatar for your Roblox account, or maybe you want to join party on here. There's so much party that you can join. There's like the server. Here's to create the party. Here's the another settings. Here's the message section. And if you want to join server, you can just choose on the server that you want to join, like this one for the example. You can see the rating, active, visit, and maturity. You can enter server, you can join server and play with people in here like this. It's a simple, right? Now you can play your Roblox on your phone. So that is how to sign up for an account on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.